Good morning, third graders. It is Tuesday. I wonder if you can see that. I hope so. Tuesday, May 26, 2020. We are on the downhill path of finishing third grade, so hang in there. And guess where I'm at today? I am back here in the classroom, and I really wish you guys were here, sitting in front of me. So I can only imagine your smiley faces looking back at me. All right. I truly am going to make this a short video because I have to make 3 videos today for this week to help you with math so your parents don't have to get involved. Well, they can if they want, but I'm trying to keep them available for just really hard questions, okay? Because your parents are very smart and they know how to do those very hard ones. So they might do them a little bit different than I do, and that's okay because there's so many ways to do math problems. That's the beauty. That's how God created this earth with so many possibilities. Okay, so if your parents show you a different way to remember things, you should listen to them because it might be even a better way for you to remember it. Okay, today we're learning about polygons. Everybody say it. Polygons. It's just a fun name to say, right? Makes you think of frogs. It always makes me think of little baby frogs. Because they're called, what are they called? I forgot, but something like that, right? Aren't they called polygons? Poly something? Okay, I should have looked that up before I started teaching. But anyway, polygons, that's a math term. I'm going to tell you what it means. Poly, I'm going to look over here at my notes because I forgot. Poly, that's right. I have a feeling that this comes from, I don't know if it comes from Latin or Greek, but it comes from one of those. And poly means many. Poly means many. Whoop. So I'm just going to underline that and I'm going to draw a little arrow and it means many. And what do you think gons means? Gons actually comes from a word. That means, or actually not gons, but gone. Just gone. Gone means angle. Do you know what an angle is? Of course you do. An angle. We have many angles up here on these drawings. They all have angles. Like right here is an angle. Whoop, whoop. Here's an angle. Just something that looks like this. Or it can look bigger, like that. Or it can look smaller. You can have really skinny angles. Those are angles. Okay, so many angles, that's what a polygon is. However, I have my first question for you. Before I give you a true definition of polygons, we're going to learn a little chant of what it means. But which one of these do you think is a true polygon? It has many angles, that's what polygon means. Which one of these is a true one? Number 1, number 2, number 3, what do you think? Okay, well if you guessed this one, you are right. Ding, ding, ding. This is a polygon. Okay, a polygon, I'm gonna give you a little chant. And then you'll see why these are not, why these two are not polygons. So I'm gonna write it up here, then a polygon. Polygon, you would say polygon. And then you'd go closed, because this shape right here is closed. There's no openings, okay? Closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon, closed, flat. This is a flat part of my hand. That's why I'm showing you like that. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. Everybody say it with me. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. I'm going to have you memorize that this week. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. So let's look at this one. Well, we have some straight sides, okay? 1, let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what would you call that? Is that a straight side? No, it's a curve. It's a curved side. So this shape is closed, there's no openings, but it has a curve in it. So that is not considered a polygon. That's not a true polygon. What about this one? Why is this not a polygon? Everybody say the chant. Polygon closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon closed, flat, straight sides. Well, these are all straight sides, right? Lines. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, but this one is open. It doesn't close there, does it? And a polygon is closed, flat, straight sides. So that is not a polygon. Now let's look at this one. Are all the sides straight? Yes, they sure are. And are they all closed? Yes, they sure are. Okay, because I'm trying to make this a fast video, I'm going to move on. So we're going to say it one more time. Polygon polygon closed. These are all closed. Flat, straight sides. Okay, now a polygon can have many sides. Let's count how many this one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that actually is called a hexagon. That's a hexagon right there. We know that hex doesn't come from Latin because sex, right? Sex is 7 in Latin, or 6, I'm sorry. Sex is 6 in Latin, but it probably comes from Greek. I was gonna look that up and I didn't. That might be something you could research with your parents, this word hex. Anyway, it means 6 sides, a hexagon. But I'm gonna teach you a song. I love teaching songs. And you're gonna learn this song this week because it gives you the names of 8 polygons. 8 polygons. It goes up to 10 sides, but it starts with 3. What do you think a 3-sided polygon is called? If you said triangle, yep, you got it. 3 sides. Now, a triangle, we're gonna get rid of these here. Okay, a triangle could come in any shape as long as it has 3 sides. That's a triangle, 3 sides. That's a 3-sided polygon, which is called a triangle. Okay, what do you think this one is called? I'm going to give you a very typical one. This is probably one of the most common polygons that we see everywhere. Windows, walls, furniture. I can just look around our classroom. My microwave. Yes, this is called, it has 4 sides, so it comes from probably a Greek word, quad. Okay, meaning 4, quad. And it's called a quadrilateral. I think it's quadra. No, it's quadrilateral. Because quad means 4. Okay. Let's keep going. I'm going to just keep changing pens. Okay, this has 4 sides, quadrilateral. Now, this one, let's see, 2, 3, 4. You thought I was going to make a stop sign, but I'm not. I'm going to make it go this way. Actually, for fun, let's make it go this way. It kind of looks like a house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think that one's called? I'm trying to think of a word that starts with this, and I can't think of one right off the top of my head. But it's called a pentagon, and that means 5-sided. A pentagon. Penta is 5, I believe, in Greek. I think most of these words that we're writing up here come from Greek. And some of Greek words actually come from Latin. So there are some similarities, but not always. Okay, pentagon, 5-sided. Okay, now I'm going to draw this shape. 1, 2, let's see here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Not very good, but it doesn't really matter as long as my lines are straight. Okay, they don't have to be the same size. As long as I have 6 line. Oh, wait a minute. I did. Oh, this was a 6 liner. So I'm going to skip this one. But this is, look at the difference in the shape. But they both have 6 lines. So just for fun, I'm going to keep that there because that's also a hexagon. I'm just going to keep those two together. They both have 6 sides. Okay. So now I'm going to go to the next one. And this I'm just going to have fun with. So I'm just going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to go up so far. 6, 7. Now, this is actually tomorrow for class, for our math, we're going to talk about angles. Because every polygon has the same amount of angles that, remember this means many angles, that there are lines. So if it's a hexagon, it has 6 angles. But we're going to talk about that tomorrow. Let's not get distracted. Anyway, this is an angle right here because it angles down. And this one goes straight across. And that's a really wide angle, isn't it? Anyway, I drew 7 sides. Anyone know what that's called? It's kind of similar to hexagon. So just remember when you're counting, hexagon, then comes heptagon. Heptagon, so it's H-E-P-T, heptagon. 7 sides. Okay, now let's draw another one. This one, I'm going to draw it like this because I think we see this one when we're out driving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 sides. You could create 8 misshapen sides and still have a polygon that is named this. What do you think this is? 8 sides. Think of 8, something that has 8 arms. Think of our Latin word for 8. Yes. Is it octa? It's been so long. Unus, duo, tres, quattro, quinque, sex, septum. Is it octum? I don't have my book, but it's similar. So octa. This is an octagon. O-C-T, just like an octopus has 8 legs. Octagon. Okay, we have 2 more. Of course, you guys are getting these, I'm sure. You know what's next. But do you know what it's called? Okay, I'm going to draw it over here. I'm just going to make it up as I go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that's a fun polygon, isn't it? Okay, that is 9 lines with also 9 angles. What do you think that's called? That is called a nonagon, spelled N-O-N, I think it's nono. I have a sheet here that says nonana. Does anybody have a grandmother named Nana or Nona? Maybe. I know some of you have nanas. This is Nona, Nonagon, and it means 9 sides. And then the last one, so I want to make this, I want to be done with our lesson here, is, I'm just going to draw, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's fun. There's a polygon, and it's 10 sides. So that's called a decagon. Deca. It's like datum. Datum, right, is our number 10. It starts with D-E-C, and we call it datum for 10. Greek might be something similar to this, but it's a decagon. It might even come from Hebrew because I know we call the 10 Commandments Deca something. Anyway, I need Mingmei here to tell me what that is. Okay, so there you go. Here's our shapes. Now, to finish. Now remember, a polygon is closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. Polygon, closed, flat, straight sides. Say that a lot so you remember. It doesn't have open sides and it doesn't have curved sides. So any shape that is closed and has straight sides is a polygon. So look around your house for polygons today and say, oh, that's a polygon, I'm gonna count the sides. You're probably gonna find a lot of quadrilaterals, okay? So I have a song and let's see, I'm gonna point to these as I go. This is a triangle, right? And I'm gonna email, you will have this song in your lesson plan. It will be part of your memory work this week, but it's a really, really important song, so have fun with it. Here it goes. This is how it sounds. Hopefully I can help. I can do this tune well. A triangle, let's see. A triangle. Whoa. I'm starting over. Sorry. Okay, here we go. A triangle has 3 sides. A quadrilateral has 4. A pentagon has 5. A hexagon has 6 sides. A heptagon has 7. An octagon has 8. A nonagon has 9. Oh, I'm really blowing this. A decagon has 10. Oh, Mrs. Peabody, please forgive me because that was terrible. But it goes to the song of all creatures of our God and King. And I'm going to send you an audio where Mingmei is singing it, and she sounds a whole lot better than I do. But you kind of have an idea of how it goes. I just want to sing it for you. Now, your assignment today is not even using your math books. It is just using this information and your song. So have your parents print out the song because the song tells you all the sides, and you're just going to draw on a piece of paper in your math journal. Okay, you're going to draw all these shapes and you're going to name them. Okay, I have the assignment on the lesson plan, so it will tell you exactly what you're supposed to do. But really, you're just creating your own shape. So if you created a quadrilateral, it doesn't have to be a square. It just has to have 4 sides. So you could do one like this. Oops, just make sure that your sides are straight, as straight as you can. So you might want to get out a ruler if you are really conscientious about doing a straight line. No curves and no open lines, and just give it exactly how many it's supposed to have. Okay, quadrilateral has 4 sides. A pentagon has 5. You create your own shape, and then you're going to label it underneath what it is, or right next to it. Nice and neat so Mrs. Simonowski can understand what your shape is and what your word says. All right, you guys, you're doing a great job. Have fun with your polygons. If you want to shade them in, color them, and just be artsy with them, feel free to do that. Okay, have a great day.